Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Next we'll be making a flower. So take a white sheet and draw the circle over it. Make the lines like this. Now after you are done with this, take a marker and then darken the lines on the sides of it like this. So draw the flower petals. Now make it stems and leaves and then erase the pencil one like this. Now you have to draw the lines in the between, color it with the beautiful pink color and the flower is done. Next, we have to draw the triangle and make the lines in the between like this. To make a rose, we have to make the petals on the sides of it like this. Make the flower lines on the sides and make a rose. Make it stems and leaves like this and make the petals as shown in the video. And your beautiful rose is ready. Don't forget to color it like this and it's done. Next, we have to make the lotus. So draw the lines like this as shown in the video. Now we have to make the stems and leaves like this. Draw the lines, make the patterns like this and then you have to make the leaves. Now after that, we have to make few more birds near it like this and color it with the pink color and it's done. Next, we have to draw the lines like this and then we have to make different flowers over it. So first we have drawn a lavender. Second, we are making the beautiful pink color flowers. Now make the roses on the third one. Now on the fourth one, we are making the tulips, color of your choice. Now on the fifth one, we'll be making these beautiful flowers like this. Make the leaves and in the last one, we're making these bell-shaped flowers and it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, we have to draw a circle and mark the shades of the pink on the sides to make the petals of the flowers like this. Now, we have to put the little darker shade in the between like this to draw the lines. Make the stems and leaves with the green marker. Make few more buds near it like this. And then you have to make the leaves on the sides of the flower and it's done. Next, we have to make a heart-like shape and then on the sides draw the lines. Keep drawing it like this in the same manner. Now we have to make the stems and leaves of the flower. So color it with the green color after drawing the lines. Make the lines inside it like this and then color it as shown in the video. Put the yellow color in the between and it's done. Next, we have to make a rose. So draw the lines like this and make the rose. Now after that, we have to make the petals on the sides to complete it. Make the stems and leaves out of it. Color it with the red color and the green color with the stems like this. And your rose is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we have to take a white sheet and write the digit 9. Now draw the lines on the sides of it and make a rose out of it. Now we have to make the leaves and the stem like this as shown in the video. Now after that, we have to make the patterns like this inside the leaves. Color it with the red color and the stems with the green color and it's done. Next, draw 4 circles with the red color and the yellow and pink color like this. So you can use different colors of your choice and then draw the lines inside it. Make a vase-like shape or a bouquet like this and then make a bow in the between, color it and decorate it and it's done. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to make the leaves on it. Next, we'll be taking a white sheet and then make the lines like this to make the roses. Now draw the lines on the sides of it and then we have to make the leaves and the stem of the rose. Now after that, we have to color it with the green color like this as shown in the video and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.